Updating your billing information on Ro Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ro Business website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Billing section in the menu. Click on it to access your billing information. Step 3. Edit billing information. In the billing settings, find the option to edit your billing information. This may include your credit card details, billing address, or payment method. Step 4. Enter new information. Carefully input your new billing information. Double check for any errors to ensure that everything is correct before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your billing information is updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Ro Business. Regularly checking your details can help avoid any disruptions in service.